I have a background in economics and investments. I've had an interest in capital markets for as long as I can remember, and I'm fortunate enough to have roles that have allowed me to work in this particular field. We're a woman-founded advisory firm that provides technical advisory services and capital raising opportunities to women-owned and women-led businesses in Africa. We back women-owned businesses because women are the future. The business case is there. At the end of the day, a woman faces quite a lot when it comes to running her businesses. There are several challenges that she must face. And in Africa, a woman tends to start her business because she has to. It's because of economic hardships or circumstances. So one has to be resilient when it comes to running their business. And resilience is definitely a key trait that one needs to have in order to be a successful business owner that's able to scale up their businesses the way that they should. There's data that also supports the fact that women are better at business. Well, I shouldn't say better, but women are generally more responsible when it comes to managing money. Generally speaking, women don't seem to be aware of the opportunities that exist within the market. The second thing is if they do make applications for funding, the quality of the submissions they're not up to standard of the financial institution. Women also lack the skills and the business acumen. They also lack the networks to access the opportunities that exist when it comes to access to finance and just running their businesses in general. We recognize what it is that women go through. We understand the challenges that women go through when it comes to running a business and also when trying to access finance for their services and just grow their businesses in general. So women are comfortable to come to us and talk to us, tell us about what challenges they're experiencing. So we at wCap help to instill this in women-owned businesses, to build the technical capability and also provide opportunities to capital raising if they need it.
Jibu is a social impact company that essentially addresses two major problems: access to clean drinking water and business opportunity and employment. Those speak into two of the SDGs. We found it much more easier to talk with wCap. They somehow had a sense of the challenges that we face, and I think were probably more understanding than maybe a male company or a company with men who would have to interact with us. I think where we both worked in the past, we've worked in very male-dominated environments. So working with women was very relaxing, but also we still needed to produce the results that were required. The other thing as well is the wealth of experience that wCap actually has. So they were able, with the combination of experiences they have, to be able to guide us through the steps that we needed to take.
Pivoting was either creating a team and creating a franchise model or using technology. And I didn't know how to do that. I didn't know how to go from my current number of clients to reach actually beyond the Zambian borders. And that's why I approached wCap. I needed help to understand, how do you scale a business? How do you actually create systems that can be repeated by several people without me being the one implementing the process? I went to wCap because I liked the model. I like the fact that the advisors are female, and I have read about and I know some of the partners. And so I felt safe and comfortable talking to them honestly about my challenges. I also felt that the criteria to join wCap was very attractive. And I felt that showed seriousness, and that showed that actually they were building on the foundation that I'd already created for myself. And they were going to be able to use that foundation to take me further.
wCap essentially has helped us get ready to attract investors to be able to invest money in our company.
From the clients that we've worked with, it's very evident that with the right support, women-owned businesses are able to grow and thrive. We're working on getting a financing mechanism into wCap that we can use to funnel investment funds into the businesses that we deal with. What we'd like to see at wCap is to see more women go into business, challenge people, and let them know that women can actually succeed in business. We'd like to see them move into unconventional spaces, such as energy, manufacturing. We want to see them go into, I've seen opportunities in the cosmetics industry that requires women to go and do chemical engineering, for example. Think outside the box. Women can thrive and women can be just as successful as the men are, maybe even better.